Hey guys, welcome to any channel. Today in this video we have this Moto G4 Play, and as you can see the phone is right now locked with screen lock, and here you can see my phone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this phone and remove its screen lock without entering recovery mode or anything else. So guys, let me just show you something. There you can see every time when I draw a wrong pattern, you see there are like message for how many attempts are left. So you just simply have to draw your unlock screen pattern wrong 10 times, and here you can see it will start being factory data reset. So after it finishes, your phone will be successfully restored and your screen lock will be removed. As there you can see it started to be restored. You just simply have to wait here. It may take up to 5 to 10 minutes to be restored, and after that your screen lock will be removed and you'll be able to set up your device and use it again. So that's it guys, there you can see our phone is successfully been restored. So that's all in this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Bye for now.